Good morning everybody, welcome back to cilinixfxcapital and as promised a new video, an update on Litecoin. Perhaps a little bit more of a bearish video on Litecoin since I've been bullish on Litecoin quite often, right? If we talk about the last weeks, I've been bullish on Litecoin, almost always, excuse me. But right now we are seeing some bearish confirmation coming from Litecoin. And obviously, as you all know, the Litecoin halving is coming closer and closer. And I'll tell you what I expect from that in this video. But yeah, that's what we'll talk about. So there's quite a lot to talk about. Before we dive into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. And there you can check it out, see if it's something for you, if you want to become a more profitable and better trader. But for now, let's get into Litecoin. So Litecoin halving is in about 2 weeks, I think. 16 days. So my general expectation for the Litecoin halving, as it also was with other major events in crypto, is that usually the crypto can be very, very bullish before that. So I would argue that we have already seen that. Perhaps, I mean, there's still a chance that we can see more, but a 40% increase, and this was in a matter of 5 days, is huge. And this was also, I mean, Bitcoin was also bullish, but this move was quite uncorrelated. And what you then usually get at some point of time is that it's too early, so it's too close to the event. So then you will not anymore get any big movement from that. And then once the event is over, you usually see some sort of a dip. So now it's debating whether we are that close to the event that we will not get any more bullish momentum, or whether we still can. And I think we would have to get some confirmation on the technical side of things, because if we take a look at the technicals right now, it just looks like it's not alive. Like, we got bullish momentum during the whole XRP event, and we held our own for a little bit. Like, we held $100 as a support for some time. But after that, I mean, and before that we were just consolidating, nothing going on. And after that, right now, you can also see that we had slight bearish confirmation by breaking down below this trend line right here. And apart from that, also just consolidation. Broke below the 200 EMA, not respecting that as a support anymore, which is bearish confirmation once again. And if we take a look at the volume right now, you can see that the volume is also very, very low. Like, it's even lower. Oh no, it's at this point in time, it's not lower than right here, but it's at one of the lowest points it's been since we had that big rally right here. So is it necessarily over? I don't think so. The thing is, what we would need to see is, I think we'll still get some sort of a move in the upcoming days up to $98, right? First of all, by the way, if we actually break down below our current support level, which is 92.8, let's say 92.5, if we break down below that, then it probably is over, because then we'll drop down to like $87 and $86, and then the only way in which we could be saved is if Bitcoin becomes very, very bullish. But that would not mean we will get a Litecoin halving rally. That would just mean that we will get some bullish momentum because of the correlation. So that's the first thing. I do not anticipate that happening, but if that happens, well, you know it's over. But I think it's more likely that we'll just consolidate here a bit, and that will, at some point of time, will test $98. Now, the only way in which we could actually still get a rally is if we break above $98 and then hold it as a support. So we get a real bullish breakout with a break retest. If we can do that, okay, then we can still rally. But I gotta tell you, I don't see this as the most likely scenario. I think it's more likely that we will consolidate and we might just see another spike up, but I don't think it will be a sustained bullish breakout. And I think it's more likely that at some point of time we will break down below 92.5 and drop down to that level around $87 and $86. So that's my thoughts on it for now. I will keep you updated on it, of course, but for now, enjoy your Monday. Have a great week, and bye.